Hey guys, this is Dr. Hamis Tech. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing something different. I got this new package over here and I'm super excited to open this up. I'm so excited that I actually decided to show you guys my face this time when I'm opening up this. As you can see in my previous videos, the P40 and the S20, I wasn't ready to show the world my face yet, but this is different because, like I said, I'm super excited and we're gonna open this up, all right? So without further ado, we're just gonna go get this started. So I managed to order this with the pre-order package from the company, and they gave me a few free stuff as well. That's why the box is so big. Okay, that will probably destroy my warranty as well. I'll just put it aside here. It definitely looks easier when it's on recorded on video than actually is. So this is what it feels like to be a real YouTuber, checking out the unboxing part of it. Okay, so there you have it. We have the OnePlus phone over here. You can see it on the bottom, and this comes with the pop-up gifts, free of charge. Actually, not free of charge. I paid super a lot for this, so it's nice to know that they actually give something for free. Okay, let's see how to open this up. So here's the box. Very, very impressive, I would say. Okay, now let's get this bad boy open up. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Wow, this is very, very impressive. All right, okay, I'll show you guys what's inside this box. So you can see over here, we have the OnePlus 8 phone. It's pretty long and big actually. And also we have the OnePlus Z wireless earbuds over here. All right, and then we have the official case. This is a carbon bumper case over here. And then we have another free case over here. Wow, not bad, 2 free official cases for OnePlus. This is the cyan green color, and this is the carbon black over here. All right, let's put this over here. Okay, here's the box. Here's the OnePlus 8. Okay. So I got the 12 gigs of RAM with the 256 gigs of storage, and I got the green color variant for the OnePlus 8 Pro. Many of you guys would know that I have actually been using the OnePlus 6 for some time, for about 2 years, and I actually decided to skip the OnePlus 7 for a good reason. I didn't find that 90Hz screen was actually quite worth the jump, and there's one key feature that I've actually been waiting for OnePlus for some time, and they finally put this on the OnePlus 8 Pro. So we're gonna open this up. And there you have the phone over here. All right. Okay, so you're gonna check it out. I am a sucker when it comes to removing the plastic. You always have to be a bit gentle and soft with it, just like with everything else. But before we do that, I'm just gonna check out what else is in the box. We have some notes, I guess, that OnePlus wants you to read when you're free, when you're stuck at home. And then we have another case. Actually, this case is pretty good, I would say. It's clear case, and they have that never settle tagline over here, and actually has a very nice texture to it. Alright, and then there's the cable, the USB-C cable, and the new charger. This is the OnePlus 8 warp charge, but this phone can go up to warp charge with the 30T instead of the normal 30 watts of charging. Alright, cool. It's much bigger than the dash. It's much bigger than the dash charge I've been using. Put this aside. Okay. So there we go, guys. Just a moment of silence. Okay, first thing I gotta say is the phone is really big. It's over here. You can see the green color over here, and here is the screen. This is a 6.78-inch screen. I've been using the S20 Plus. I'll show you guys later. The S20 Plus, and initially I thought that phone was pretty huge, and I got the P40 Pro, which I'll be taking it from here. And just side by side, if I take out the case as well. Wow, it's so much bigger than the P40 Pro. If you put it over here side by side, it's a lot of difference actually. No wonder it feels so huge. This is a 6.5 and this is 6.78, and immediately you can tell the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna put the P40 over here and here. Okay, so the OnePlus 8 Pro as well, they have a matte finish, much better than the S20 Plus. Like over here you can see the lighting, how the light shines off it compared to the P40 Pro. Alright, cool. We put this one aside. And yes, the camera bump here is pretty thick as well. I'll show you guys later. And one of the few features I miss when it comes to the OnePlus 8 is the slide over here. Many of you who have used the OnePlus would definitely love this feature. This one you can go to mute, vibrate and ring immediately without even having the phone to on. You can just switch it over here, and here's the power button. We're gonna get it started. Volume rockers on the sides as well. Volume keys is okay, still reachable compared to my OnePlus 6. It's definitely much bigger. Okay, cool. So I'm going to set up this phone how I would normally set up my OnePlus phone. Okay, so one of the main features that I've been waiting for the OnePlus phone is the wireless charging on this. From what I know, they only can do 10 watts of normal Qi wireless charging, and if you want that 30 watts of, I think, warp wireless charging, you have to get that that official OnePlus charger. So I'm going to test out something. If you don't hear from me in my next few videos, probably it didn't work out. But I'm going to just try out something with that wireless charger. And they have included the IP68, the water and dust resistance. So definitely this phone now is a full-on flagship phone. And also we have a new camera system setup. We have a 48 megapixel normal camera. We have other wide cameras. We have a telephoto camera. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro. I will be definitely doing tons of videos with this. Can't wait to bring this out to the real world, to test out the camera, the performances and everything else. So if you enjoyed this video, do click the like button down below, and for more videos like this in the future, do click the subscribe button down below. Alright, so this is it. This is Dr. Hammer's Tech. Stay safe, take care and wash your hands.